Every moment should have both these things. Do good to every human being. Feed the hungry. Be kind to the ill, to the sick person. Try to provide him with the treatment, medicine. Look after the orphans or the needy or the widows. Everything is okay. It's public service. No. It's the service to humanity. No doubt. But if you are a mu'min, then the biggest public service that you have to do is to call people towards the cause of Allah, towards the path of Allah, towards the way of Allah. Ud'u ila sabili rabbik. Call them towards the right path, so that the eternal life, this life has to come to an end. Even if you have provided every type of treatment to a person, he has to die. If not tomorrow, after an year. You have spent millions of dollars on a cancer patient, only to try to postpone his death for a few months or years. But the eternal life that he has to lead, you are not thinking about it. This life has to come to an end. And this can be passed in a big mansion, in a big bungalow, in a big, house, palatial house also, and also in a cottage. People lived in cottages. People are living in cottages. People in Pakistan, in Karachi, etc., they pass their nights on the footpaths. They also have to die one day. And the people who are living in the Bath Island, they are also to die one day. King Fahd will also die. No physician, no doctor, no hospital would be able to save him in the long run. But all care for that, and no care, caring nothing for the eternal life. Well, this is the negation of Iman.